Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Bitcoin, we are trading at $20,704. 24-hour volume, we are down 5%, and market cap, we are up 1.34%. All right, you guys. Oopsie. I'm so Give me 1 second just to change this. I was trading just a little while ago. So a little bit easier for us to see. Perfect. Okay, so heading over to our daily chart, I'm going to cover immediate short term for 4 hours and then 2 hours as well. But if we take a look closely on our daily chart here, so far for today, in our last update, we had distinguished this was our area of supply and demand. Again, if the price was at above this area, then the price itself may find itself in, again, the supply and demand. And we can see it on this very low wick candlestick here, as low again at the 20,000. So price came back down in this area and held on to support. The body of the candlestick itself is holding very, very strongly at this area of supply and demand. At the current trend right now, we can see all green colors. Now, this may look differently if you guys are doing the candlesticks. So I'm going to switch it over to the candlestick so you guys can see it's a bit different from the high Kanashi candles that I am using right now. This is easier just to pinpoint the ultimate trend and filter out the noise here. So because of these green candlesticks or green bars that we do see in this type of format, we know that the uptrend is still currently strong. Not only that, but we can see the MACD indicator at the very top here is currently strong as well. And I do have the parabolic SAR, are these dots here that do indicate some, buying or selling opportunities. Now, there has been a selling all the way from here, and then it triggered ultimately a buy order in the last 2 days or so. But because we have our 100 moving average at the very top here, we want to be looking for shorter trades, not go in on long trades. So that's kind of what I'm looking at so far. I mean, the price again is going to be bouncing in this area of supply and demand from 20,000 to 20,200. If we do break this area of supply, then ultimately we are going to see some red candles again, and it is going to give us this area projected as an area of support at 19,700. Taking a look at the RSI here, we may see some indication in the next couple of days. It doesn't look like it is going to occur anytime soon. We are 65% and 51% right now, and we may not see that selling opportunity in the next couple of days. So it's looking pretty good. Heading over to our 4 hour time frame here, you guys. Again, it did trigger a buying opportunity at this candlestick here. However, what I am particularly looking at whenever I do trades, I am looking for if the MACD indicator is in the green section. I'm going to show you how I scalp if you guys are interested afterwards. But basically, this being in the red and this being in the green, we basically have to tread very, very lightly here, just because it's still in the red. If we wanted to be more optimistic of us coming up to the 21,000, then it should click over to the green. It is possibly going to happen in the next couple of hours, just because here these two indicators may cross over, giving us enough momentum to touch the 21,000. The RSI itself is still quite small, only at the 66%. So in order for us to be considered overbought, we would have to overachieve over 80% itself. So let's take a quick snapshot of the 2 hour time frame. And again, the trend itself is still going very, very strong. We do see a crossover here of the MACD indicator from the red going into the green. So be prepared again for the price possibly may skyrocket up to 21,000 today, and that might give us the RSI at the 80% before we see the price come back down. So let me know what you guys think down below. I am going to switch over to the 5 minute time frame. I am going to open up another YouTube channel to show you guys how I do some trades, trading strategy, our wins and our losses. But so far today, like I'm doing the 5 minute time frame. I am pairing it off with the MACD indicators, and just a few rules here is the parabolic SAR, which is this indicator here. Essentially, if the bars or these dots appear at the very bottom, we want to find a candlestick here that has little to no wick. So it has to have a shaven wick at the very bottom. So that's rule number one. Rule number two, it needs to be above the EMA 100. So moving average, exponential moving average 100 in order for us to look for a trade. Number three, we need to make sure that the MACD indicator is showing us either a sign that it's showing weakness in the red trend or it has already opened up into the green trend itself. If it has opened up in the green trend, then we know that the MACD indicator momentum is going to go as strong. And then lastly, we need to wait until the RSI approaches 50% in an upwards direction. If we wait until the 50% comes in a downwards direction, it may be more of a risk. So I'm going to upload one of my videos that I've done a trade so far for today and hopefully have a compilation of these videos so you guys can follow me on my other channel. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys are trading down below, what your profit gains are. I would love to hear everyone's stories, but I will see you guys next time. Bye.